everyone and very warm good morning to all of you. Welcome to Standard 1 grammar class. And children, this is my first video, so with hope children you all will watch this video and also try to understand whatever I am going to explain in this video. Children, so let us start. Today in this video children, I am going to teach you start the new chapter 12, and the name of the chapter, what is happening now but before children, before starting this chapter, we will talk about the verb and ing. So verb, first you should know about the verb. What is a verb? So verb is a action or doing words. It means whatever we do. Okay, like I am speaking, so speak is a verb. You all are listening, so listen is a verb. And also you all are watching this video, so watch is a verb. It means verb is an action, whatever we do or doing words. It means that also that action should be you all are doing. Okay, so it means verb is an action which we show, that is called verb. So let's start children. Form of the verbs. Today in this video you all will there are so many form of the verbs, so today you all are going to see the verb with ing form. So we add ing to an action verb to tell someone about an action. It means the verb it is an action verb to tell someone about an action that we can see happening at the time of speaking. Yes, means the work we can see that at the right now. Okay, like I am speaking, this work I am doing. Okay, this is continuing. I have not stopped speaking, I am continuing speaking, like you all are watching. Okay, so this work is happening right now. So let's see, like you can see in this picture, this girl is dancing. She is continuing dancing. She has not stopped her dance. Like you can see, this rat is eating. So the eating is a verb adding ing. It means this work is continuing. This work is happening right now. Okay children, so now let's more example we'll see. But before children, I am going to explain this chapter. So in this chapter, at last what you will see, you will be able to form the ing form of a verb, learn some rules also children. With whenever you are going to add the ing, some rules you are going to learn. Okay, before adding ing. So let us start. First we will read about you all will learn some rules of forming ing verbs. Like first rule number 1 is here written. When a verb ends with suffix ing, it is known as ing verb. Yes, with verb, whenever it will be end with ing, suffix ing, that is known as ing verb. And this work, whenever you all will add ing with verb children, it will show the work is happening right now. Okay, like you can see already, it is a verb. You all have added ing. Eat plus ing, it will be make it. Eating, eat to eating. It means eat is a verb. Whenever you are going to add the ing, that work will show this work is happening right now. Like you can see, this rat is eating. So this work is happening right now. Some more example you can see. The queen is sleeping. Sleep is a verb. Yes, sleep is a verb, and here has added ing. It means sleep plus ing equal to sleeping. It means this work is happening right now. She is continuing sleeping. So that's why it has written the queen is sleeping. Like you can see in this picture, this girl, Meena is walking. Walk is a verb, and here is walk with, it has added here ing. It means walk plus ing, it will be make walking. That means this girl, she is continuing walking. So here is written walk. What Meena is walking. It means continuing. She is walking on the road. Okay. Now you can see some more. Like this girl is writing. So this girl is writing. It means she is continuing writing. She has not over her writing. She is continuing writing. You can see this boy. This boy is continuing running. Okay, so that first rule it is saying here, whenever you are adding ing with verb, it will be so the action is happening right now. Okay, so first rule already I have explained. Now let us see that second rule number second. Like written is here, when a verb ends in e, it means if any word that it will be end with e, what you have to do, whenever you are going to add ing, drop the letter E. It means E letter you just remove and then add ing at the end of the verb. Yes, whenever you are going to make the verb form and when you are going to show the action is happening right now, it means you all will add ing. So where you will add ing, this is also the rule. So this is second number rule, where if any verb, if it will be end with E, like make, game, dance, okay, chase. So these are the verb that is ending with E. So what you have to do while making ing form, you just remove E. What you have to do, just remove E and then you add ing. Like you can see in this picture, make is a verb and it is ending with E, so E just remove, then you add ing. Make to making. Like same, game, this is also an action and it is what, it is ending with E, so E just drop the letter and then you add ing. So gaming, gaming. Okay, now after that some more also you can see. Like you can see this girl is dancing, you are showing this action is happening right now. So dance is a verb. Whenever you are going to make in this continuous form, first you remove E and then you add ing. First remove E from in and then add ing in, it is showing to continuous form. So it means this girl is continuing dancing, so she is dancing. Now some more, let us see some more example. Like here is written chase is a verb, and whenever you are going to make the make a sentence from the chase, like the lion is chasing the fox, so it means that action is happening right now. So first you, while making that in continuous form of the verb, first you remove E. chase is a word or action, it means it is a verb, so E remove and then you add ing. Like you can see, it will be make chasing. First remove E from end and then add ing. So sentence is the lion is chasing the fox. Okay children, like you can see also some more examples are there. Like make, when you are going to make in continuous form, make to making, so first you remove E and then you add ing. Make to making, write to writing, come to coming. While making in continuous form, first you remove E. This is your second number rule, it is saying. Okay, like shake to shaking, race to racing. So first remove E from in and then add ing when action is happening right now. Okay, now next one is your rule number third. When a verb, vowels, like, as you know children, there are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. When a verb, vowels like A, E, I, O, U comes before ending consonant. It's when a verb comes before ending consonant, like it is a verb, run is a verb, and it comes before vowel, that it is telling here then ending consonant, N is a consonant letter, so it is ending with consonant, and it will be comes before vowel, like U is a vowel. So what you have to do, you all have to, whenever you are going to make the verb in continuous form, last letter you just repeat it, like RU and run plus and then you add ing. Running, RU and then and plus ing, running. Like chop to chopping. So that this is the rule number third. When a verb, vowels like A, E, I, O, U come before the ending consonant, the consonant is repeated or doubled. Okay, like you can see, chop is a verb. This P last letter is a consonant and it comes before vowels. So what you have to do while making the what in continuous form, last letter you just repeat, like P is last letter, so you just repeat again and then you add ing, chop to chopping. Okay everyone, now let us some more. Like here is Raj team is winning the match. So win is a verb. Win is a verb. It is showing an action. But whenever you are going to this work is happening right now. So while making this verb in a continuous form, so first you write win. First you see W-I-N in win, and last letter is consonant and it comes before vowel. So what is the rule saying? Rule is saying then you add the last letter, repeat it, and then you add ing, like W-I-N, and N is a last letter, you just repeat it again. So again you write N, then you add ing. So this work it will be so this work is happening right now. So win to winning, win to winning. I hope children you all are understanding. Like next one is here, the rabbit is hopping. So hop is a verb, and this also you can see a hop is a verb. This P letter it is ending, it is a consonant letter, and before it come O sound, it means O vowel it comes. So what is the rule saying? Rule is saying, so you just last letter repeat and then you add ing while making continuous form of the verb. So hop to hopping. Okay children, so a rabbit is hopping, like same cut to cutting. So she is cutting an apple. So this work is happening right now. Some more examples are there, like run to running, put to putting. In each and every word in action word you can see children last letter is consonant and before it comes U. So that's why you all have to follow the third number rule. It is saying you all have to last letter you just repeat it and while making the continuous form. Okay, like put to putting, skip to skipping, mop to mopping, tap to tapping. Double the last letter, then add ing verb, ing while making the continuous form. So children, let us start the chapter. Chapter 12. Chapter 12, you can see I have explained. So once only we will read this with the help of the picture of the sentence. Okay, like it has written, they are playing. You can see in this picture children are playing. So they are continuing doing. So that's why here is adding ing. And with they you already know children, with they we add whenever work is happening right now. So what we have to add? Are. They with are, you all know. With singular noun, with singular pronoun you use what? Is, and with plural pronoun you should use are. Okay, so they is a plural, it means plural, it means here is more than one child, so here is children. So they are playing. Like the baby is sleeping, you can see baby is only one is here. So here is singular noun. So before this you just after that we write is, and then after sleeping, because this girl and this baby is continuing sleeping. So the baby is sleeping. Like same you can see the Preeti is dancing, it means this girl is continuing dancing. This work is happening right now, it has not stopped and it is not over. Okay, so Preeti is dancing. Like father is washing, you can see in this picture. Rabi is painting, and also here is written Diya is watering the plants. So with hope children you all have understood. Let us do some exercises related to this chapter. With hope you all have understood this topic. So let us see. You all will turn the page number 42, question number A. Like what you have to do, here is written add ing. Only very simple it is. You all have to, with verb you add ing and then you make it in continuous form. So it has written add ing to the doing words and say them aloud. So like cook is a verb and here is blank space. So with cook you just add only ing. So cook is a verb. While you are going to make in continuous form, you all have to add ing. Cook to cooking, kick to kicking, K-I-C-K-I-N-G, kicking. Read to reading, R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. Jump to jumping, J-U-M-P-I-N-G, jumping. Walk to walking, I-N-G. Throw to throwing, pull to pulling, and farm to farming. Blow to blowing, blow to blowing. Only we just add ing while you are going to make it in continuous form. Draw to drawing, drink to drinking, and fish to fishing. Okay children, so with hope children you all have understood. Let us see the second number exercise. Like it is written here, match the words with the correct picture. You can see in this picture that everyone is doing something. It means this work they are doing right now. So only you all have to match with words. Like first it is written barking, B-A-R-K-I-N-G. As you know children, the sound of dog is bark, and here is this dog is continuing barking. So it is, that means you all will match from bark to barking. And you know children how I have told to match the, because whenever you are going to make it like this, that it will be look dirty. So what you have to do, in front of the picture you just write the number of the words. Like here is barking, D is on barking picture. So what in front of the D you can write here 1. Okay, so 1, it means dog is a barking. It means you can see in this picture. So only you just put that number. Like talking, where in which picture it is showing the person is talking on phone? Yes, in H number. So in front of the H number you just write here 2 number, because is 2 number the word is written talking, and in H number the picture is showing talking. Okay, now third is running, run to running. In which picture it is showing the man is running? So like you can, that means this work is happening right now. Yes, A number. In A number picture it is showing the man is running, continuing. It means this work is happening right now. Okay, so in front of the A you just write here third number. Okay children, because in third number the word is given what? Running. Like after that fourth number, studying. Studying is where? Studying is what? Studying. In which picture it is showing the that person is studying? That yes, thus in the third number, C number picture it is showing this girl is studying. So in front of the studying you just write 4 number. In C, with C you just write 4. After that, fighting. Which two persons are fighting to each other? Yes, in G number picture the two boys are showing they are fighting. So in front with G you just write here 5. Okay. Now after that fighting, then painting. In which picture it is showing that girl is painting? Yes, in B number picture that girl, it is showing that girl is painting. So with B you just write 6. Okay. Now sleeping. In which picture it is showing that that animal is sleeping on the branch? Yes, in E number picture it is showing the monkey is sleeping on the branch. So with E you just write here 7. And last 8 number. 8 is here drying. So the girl is drying her clothes. So you just in front of F you just write 8 number. Again I am just saying barking, barking, okay, talking, running, studying, fighting, painting, and his last is here, sleeping, and last is here drying her clothes. So these are the work that you all have to complete in your copy. Page number 42, question number A and B, and also you all will read the chapter 12. All the sentences you all will read must be read. Okay, and also you all will do the page number 42, question number A and B. Okay children, and also you all will remember the 3 rules. Okay, first, second and third. Okay, so I hope children you all have understood this video very nicely. So for today I would like to say you thank you and have a good day.